Hey everybody, good morning and warm welcome to iPhone Bloke, the tech tube where we help quality people to pick up quality products. So today's video is quite depressing, honestly speaking, because today's videos, as I've read in the thumbnail that it's not safe to drive Maruti Baleno, and it's not a car which you should be investing in. Uh, I really want all of you to watch some of the videos which I have added after this particular presentation, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so I'm sure you've seen the pictures, you've seen the overall crash, overall the weight has been mashed up like mashed potatoes. So let me give you configuration about the vehicle. It's Maruti Baleno, again, a product from Nexa, which happens to be in the costlier side, number one. Number two, starts from 5.9 lakh onwards, goes till 9.5, the top model. They sell it as the premium product, but then apart from the few positives, it's all worse. I'll tell you why. It has a great mileage of almost 19 plus on an average in city. It's a vehicle which has almost 339 liters of boot space, which is fantastic. 113 Newton meter of torque, 81 bhp, almost 1200 cc engine. Very nice tractability, very nice driving dynamics of the car. Car feels very light, very premium. The plastics are of ordinary quality, honestly speaking. The interiors of Maruti Baleno is pretty ordinary. The touch and the music system is okay, manageable. The colors are very, very good. So you have got multiple colors in Maruti Baleno. They've also got automatic right now. But the biggest disadvantage, what I want to talk about with the help of this video, and by no means I'm anti-Maruti. I love Maruti cars. I love Suzuki Swift. I love Baleno, even though Baleno has got the major drawback, but I still love it. And I still recommend anyone who wants to buy a car as the first car, Suzuki Swift should be the first preferred option right now because of its great mileage, resale value, and blah, blah, blah. But on the safety side, here comes a $1,000,000 question. On the safety side, I'm very sorry to say, Maruti Baleno, Suzuki Swift, if it happens to be, a kind of a dash on the highway with the high speeding truck or a motor vehicle, trust me guys, you may not be able to drive again. It's that bad. The crash, the build of Baleno is pathetic, to say the least. There's no global NCAP test done for Baleno. The Indian version of the crash test, what people have done, they have given 3-star rating, which for a hatchback at this price point is absolutely thumbs down. So whosoever is a fond of Baleno, those who have Baleno, if you feel bad, I'm sorry about it. But trust me guys, my job as a reviewer here to give you concrete information. I hope this was useful. In case if it was, do subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Till next time, thanks for watching.